The plain and precious truth is the very human elements in the plan of salvation that is of God. It's being able to see, hey, the Son of God is actually in the form of a man. Right? That is plain and precious. That's what the Jews, they could not recognize the Savior because he did not come in glory.
Yeah.
He did not come in some visionary sense like the prophets described. He came as a man. And that glory was not something that's visual. It's something that's spiritual, and it's discerned with your spirit. And this is what's so difficult, because the church is designed to bring people in with very exciting and visionary language. But then I believe that the temple serves or has served as a purpose of then filtering you from that milk to a more plain and precious understanding of things as they really are, which is truth, right? Truth is knowledge of things as they really are, which is different from things as how they have to be shared in order to begin that process of bringing people into covenant Israel. Like, there's a whole process of getting people out of the world into Zion and then seeing eternity as it really is. And that's a process that we have to go through. And the great irony is that when you begin to see the plain and precious and things as they really are, it's less exciting in terms of what the world would consider to be, intriguing or exciting, but it's much more sacred. When you truly comprehend it, when you see it, you realize it's something that's tangible and right in front of you and comprehensible. Like, it's something that you can actually understand. And that's what makes it powerful and sacred.
The perfect example of that is the first vision. Because unlike what so many other Christian denominations believe and believed, even in Joseph's day, where God, as I said, he's this unknowable, you can't understand him, you can't explain him, he's everywhere and nowhere, and just this amorphous, concept. Then all of a sudden you have this vision where this young boy essentially says, actually, God's a whole lot like us. Like,
God's a man.
Him and his son, not only do they look a lot alike, but they look pretty dang much just like us. Like, yes, they are men, exalted men. And that's such a radical departure from what the world not only is teaching, but for whatever reason hopes for and desires. I mean, the world wants a God for whatever reason that's unknowable and unapproachable and not understandable. And I don't know why people want that. But then Joseph comes with this plain and precious truth and says, actually, he's an exalted man like you and I. And the implications of that are so profound and so glorious at the same time. And yet the world mocks that concept and scorns God by it. I mean, it is truly amazing that godliness is all around us, and that he continues to reveal truth and who he is, so that we can understand him and approach him and build a relationship with him. And yet the world continues to reject that notion, even the believers, because they want it to be something beyond comprehension. And I do not understand that desire that people have to make it such.
Thank you for watching. If you found this content spiritually enlightening, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Like the gospel, these little things make all the difference, and it helps the algorithm push out better content for everyone to enjoy on YouTube.